majority in Shannon Aaron to pass the referendum bill. Could we deliver on the Taoiseach's commitment that he made on his first day in office to give the people of Ireland their say on this deeply personal and private matter by this summer? And we've now arrived at a point where we can and we will. Owen has just set the polling date. The referendum will take place on the 25th of May. I want to encourage everybody to make sure they can exercise their franchise and to follow Owen's advice in terms of assuring that you're registered to vote, that there's a high turnout in relation to this. It's really important that people don't sit at home and presume somebody else will make the decision. If you feel strongly, as we do, that there needs to be change in this area, you need to come out and vote. You need to make sure you're registered to vote. I think by providing certainty around the polling date today, that makes it easier for people to make their own plans in terms of work and holidays and all of that. But this, I'm sure, will be a close referendum campaign. Often referendum campaigns in Ireland are very close. It's only kicking off. I think for many people, they're just beginning to think about the issues. And these are deeply personal, private issues. And I would imagine you'll have conversations around kitchen tables and the privacy of sitting rooms, daughters talking to their fathers, people talking to their grandparents, people having conversations, sharing experiences. And I think much of that will take place in the privacy of people's homes and amongst friends as well. So I think we're going to see a lot of conversations taking place in a lot of homes and workplaces over the next number of weeks as we move towards